Hi, this is Lola from Rhythm Rumble, and we have been doing this clapping and shaking and tapping song for the babies, and by the end of it they are killing themselves laughing. It's really adorable, but you have to be very animated while you do it. So you put your all in when you sing this, and this is how it goes. Clap, clap, clap your hands as slowly as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands quickly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands as slowly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands quickly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your hands as slowly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your hands quickly as you can. And I repeat that about 3 times. You can do all other sorts of actions like tap your head or tap your knees. Obviously make it an action that the children can actually do. It's kind of cute when they try to roll their hands, they go like that. Anyway, it's a really great song to teach about fast and slow, and also about their motor skills. Anyway, it's got everything, this song, and laughter as well. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.